We've all faced the problem of our C drives being full. So how do you clean it up? For that, I will show you a total of 4 ways. Well, these aren't very different ways, but they are something that you need to check off so that your disk becomes free. First thing, you need to delete all your prefetch files. So what are prefetch files? Prefetch files are files that are used to speed up applications. They basically just preload into the memory. So you can just delete them, but app startups, apps might be slow for some time, but they will speed up over time. So to go to prefetch, you can just press Windows plus R, type in prefetch, hit OK. And here you can see we have a lot of files. So these are all the prefetch files. So to delete these, you can just select all of them. To select all of them, you can use Ctrl plus A and then you can press Shift plus Delete. You can also just press Delete or you can just right click on it and then select Delete. So what happens if I do Shift Delete? Shift Delete is actually going to delete them permanently. So I don't necessarily have to go to the recycle bin and delete them again. Let's do that. So I have deleted all the prefetch files. These files over time can accumulate and take up a lot of disk space. Secondly, you want to delete your temp files. So temp files are basically cache files. There are two types of temp files. So one of them is just temp. So that is going to be your Windows files and the other one is going to be %temp%. So what is the difference? One is going to be the Windows cache and the other one is going to be the user cache wherein all the applications are storing their cache. So again, hit Windows plus R, type in temp, hit enter, and here you can see I have all the files. So all these files are basically Windows cache. So again I can just select all of them with Control A and then Shift plus Delete and then hit enter. And this again, here you saw about 1700 files have been deleted. So that is great. Third thing is deleting the %temp files. So again, Windows plus R, %temp percent, and then hit OK. And here you can see all the user files. So basically your user is using applications. So these are those cache files. Again, do the same thing. And sometimes it may happen that one or two files or multiple files are not able to delete because the application is open. You can just skip over them. It's not going to cause a big deal. And lastly, you want to do disk cleanup. For disk cleanup, you can just search it into the search bar over here or just go to start and type in disk cleanup. So here you can see disk cleanup has come up. Open it. And here you can see you can select which drive you want to clean up. Click on OK. And here you can see again delivery optimization file is about 1.07 GB. So those are my accumulated files from my software update. So I can delete them. I also have recycle bin files. I know I don't want them, so I'll delete them as well. I can also have some temporary files. I can hit OK and delete. If you want to delete more files from C drive, you can just do the same thing. So again, I'll show you how to do that. So I'll clean up system files. I'll have to put in the admin password, hit OK again. So this is mainly for the C drive. So again, here you can see a few more files have cropped up and I can just delete them by clicking OK. They don't consume a lot of space, but they need to be cleaned up over time. Otherwise, they are going to accumulate. And this might take some time. So yeah, those were the 4 ways in which you can easily clean up your C drive so that your computer is faster. Do you like the video? Do let me know. Do drop a like, share and subscribe.